Hi guys, I'm on Sunningdale Drive in Salford M6 to show you this beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see, it's got a driveway providing off-road parking to the front, a nice low maintenance garden as well. Let's take a look inside. So as we enter the property, we go into the entrance hallway. On your left opens up this beautifully presented lounge diner with patio doors to the garden at the rear. It's also a brand new modern fitted kitchen, which is a lovely standard, as you can see. And then at the rear, through the patio doors, you'll notice we're on the field side of Sunningdale Drive. It's got this lovely good sized garden with paving, lace lawn grass and decking at the bottom, with views over Duncan Mathewson Playing Fields as well. Property's in a great location with an easy access of transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Mealy City and Manchester City Centre as well. It's also ideal for people who are looking for a property that is within easy access of Salford Royal Hospital and local schooling. As we head upstairs from the landing, we have 3 well-proportioned bedrooms. We've got the 3rd bedroom just through here. 2nd bedroom with views over the fields again. We've got the main bedroom. And finally we have a 3-piece bathroom. Properties on this development are always very popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.